Ah, that's bright. All right, this is where we get to jump into some serious precision guesswork. Oh, catalytic converter. So up here, we have an O2 sensor. And then way back here somewhere, yeah, way back here, we have another O2 sensor. And that has to go somewhere right about her. Now, in order for this to work without me welding it, which is what I'm going to not do, I need frickle frag. So I need to cut here and then basically as is, I'm thinking. The big issue is getting my big old fucking clown hands up there. Nope, it's got to be a little tighter than that, looks like. Come on, baby. Yep, there we go. And it's just this for like the rest of ever. After a great deal of deliberation and reassessing my situation, I have created a plan of attack. I realized what I was trying to do, that just wasn't going to happen. It wasn't in the cards. And thankfully, the rotors and brake pads got in a lot sooner than I was expecting them to. So I've made them part of my battle plan. So we were chopping at the cat, and that nice little cross member right there, which also has the transmission mount, was going to get in the way, as was the torsion bar. So, like I was saying, web of lies. The torsion bar doesn't want to come loose, even though the torque key is down. It can't pull free from the lower control arm. And so it's all just one gigantic shit bath. So that's why we've got our plan of attack right here. We're going to start with the rotors and put those on in the back, as well as the brake pads since we just happen to be there. Throw the wheels on and torque them to spec, and then lower the ass into the truck down and move the jack stands out from underneath the axle and up to the frame. I'm a little bit paranoid that while I'm working under this thing, it's going to fall on top of me. I think I've said that before. I'd rather this thing not kill me unless it's in a fiery auto crash. So before we can get to that point, let's try and be as, safe as possible. I'll check these off as we go. Let's get to it. Unless something silly happens, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the before and after. So here's this giant rust pile. We're going to try and clean up the caliper as well and smack the shit out of this rotor, and hopefully it comes free. Well, now that don't look too bad. Now I just got to throw a wheel on there, and for all intents and purposes, excluding the exhaust, the back is done. And there she is sitting on the ground. Don't look too bad if I do say so myself. And for once, the lugs are on there to the correct torque spec. Fucking finally. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'll take a break right now to grab some noms. But first off, let's see if I can get a pin cap off. Let's see. Rotors are done. Pads are done. Wheels are with the torque, and then we'll do this after I get done with food. I'm thinking we might get to here tonight. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.